Hi, it's Joe Wiessner, Joe Wiessner Realty with a just listed condo rental here in Hammonton, New Jersey. I'm at 39 Toni Lynn Court. This property is right adjacent to the Hammonton Elementary School. So if you're a school teacher or you're anywhere in proximity here, you could walk right to work. Got the high school to my right, the middle school to the left. It's a terrific location. Public water, public sewer, that's all going to be taken care of by the landlord. I'll walk and talk and we'll check it out. What's great about this unit, it's the second one from the end and it's in between all the schools. It's a terrific location. Typical setup, you have the up and down, which is nice. The living room area opens up to the kitchen. Kitchen is newer cabinets. Everything is in good shape. You have a little backyard area here, and you do have access to more storage down in the basement. So that's an accessibility feature that's kind of nice. Got a half bath here. All good. And then this is where your washer and dryer are stacked right here. And you got plenty of storage space underneath the stairs. The whole unit is electric, so there's no natural gas, it's just all electrified, so you have one electric bill that you'll be responsible for. And the landlord is going to take care of the condo association's dues and the water and sewer. This is the full bath. You got a soaking tub, tile surround, good. And then you have a linen closet to my left. It's got 2 bedrooms. This would be the smaller of the 2. And this backs up to the ball fields. And you have a nice wooded divide, which is a quieting feature. Closet there. Master bedroom. This looks to be about 15 by 13, this room, nice size. Have another closet there. You have your wall air conditioning units. And you have this great balcony. You got your American flag to the right, water tower, and then you have a beautiful expanse here, the elementary school, the kids playing. It's always a joy to hear the youngsters outside. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you know somebody that would love to rent this unit centrally located, give it a share. And if you really love the content that we're putting out, give us a subscribe. This is 39 Toni Lynn Court, right adjacent to the Hammonton Elementary School. No pets, no smoking, and subject to a credit check and a rental application. So those are all prerequisites just about anywhere you go. It's a really nice condo. You move right into it. It's going to be available as of May 1st. So be the first to know these are in very, very high demand here in Hammonton. Landlord takes care of most of the essentials. All you need to do is take care of the electric bill. I hope to see you renting this unit out.